Welcome to True or False, where we dive into the darkest mysteries, chilling legends, and shocking truths. This video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. We do not promote or encourage accessing the dark web or illegal activities. Some stories may be exaggerated or unverified, and here we go. The internet is a scary place, but the dark web, it's like stepping into a nightmare, a place filled with secrets, horror, and mystery. Today, we dive into real and rumored dark web stories that will chill your spine. But are they real or just myths? Stay with me till the end to find out. 1. The Red Room Nightmare. Imagine this, a live-stream torture session where people pay to control what happens next. Sounds like a horror movie, right? Well, many claim these red rooms exist on the dark web. Viewers supposedly pay in Bitcoin to watch unspeakable acts. 2. The Cannibal Cafe, a real-life horror. What if I told you that there was a website where people discussed eating other humans? Yes, it was called the Cannibal Cafe, and it wasn't even on the dark web. But here's the scary part. One man took it seriously. Armin Mewis, a man from Germany, actually found a willing victim online and ate him. Yes, this really happened in 2001. He even filmed it. This proves one thing. Sometimes, reality is scarier than fiction. 3. Human experimentation sites. Ever heard of secret human experiments? Some say there are dark websites where kidnapped people are experimented on. Things like drug testing, brain experiments, and even worse. 4. The hitman services. Dark web myth? Ever heard of websites where you can hire a hitman? People claim there are assassins for hire on the dark web, offering to kill for Bitcoin. 5. The darkest forums on the web. Not all dark web horror stories are fake. Some forums discuss real crimes like child exploitation and human trafficking. But good news. The FBI and Interpol constantly hunt these criminals down. So while the dark web has its horrors, justice is always watching. 6. The silent rooms, locked away forever? A creepy story says that people are locked in a room for years with cameras watching them, but no human contact. They scream, they cry, but no one comes. 7. The Black-Eyed Children. Video one of the creepiest things ever found on the dark web? A video of pale, black-eyed children staring at the camera. Some say it's a message from another world. Others think it's a psychological experiment. But the truth? It's likely just a horror project made for fun. Still, imagine waking up and seeing black-eyed children at your door. Would you let them in? 8. Dark web auctions for humans? Some claim there are dark web auctions where people are sold. Bidders supposedly choose what happens to the victims. So what's real and what's fake? The dark web is full of myths, scams, and real dangers. Be safe online. Never click unknown links, never trust strange offers, and definitely don't go searching for the dark web unless you know what you're doing.